Today I'm going to show you how to use felt bobs to clean up the windows on your forged wheels. I'm going to use the Ultra Cut and a die grinder. I always recommend using an air-powered die grinder when you're doing this. You just get a lot better consistency out of your finish. So we're going to start by cutting this. You can go back over it with the Pro Red and a different felt bob if you want a cleaner finish. That's what we're going to do today. No, it's coming out of the machine. So we used two different felt bobs. We started with the Ultra Cut, and then I changed out to a fresh one and used the Pro Red. Significantly reduced the milling lines inside the windows on this forged wheel. Just brought out a lot better shine. These felt bobs are great for professionals or even hobbyists to have in your polishing arsenal to really help you get in the hard to reach areas.